Hey guys, what's up? It's Lolo. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry it's been a minute. Girl, I've been planning gender reveals, baby showers, proposals. My sister is pregnant, engaged, and expecting twins, so it's just been a crazy season, so I haven't been filming as much, but I'm here with you. Today's video is sponsored by Mindful Souls. Mindful Souls is a monthly subscription box all about self-care, mysticism, magic. They have crystals in here, essential oils, all types of things to make you feel zen and peace and happy. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and also just giving you an introduction into crystals, what's the hype, how do people use them, and all that good stuff. So, I was first introduced to crystals by this girl I knew in college. She was super dope, super sweet, very like successful in my eyes. And I remember one day we were like sitting in class and I saw someone with a crystal, or someone was talking about it. And I was like, hey girl, do you really believe in that stuff? And she was like, do I believe in that stuff? Took all her stuff out of her purse, dumped her purse out, and it was just like tons of little tiny crystals. And I looked at her like, this bitch, she's crazy. But one day walking down Venice Beach, I popped into a crystal shop. There was just this beautiful rose quartz crystal screaming my name. It was just so pretty. When I picked it up, I was like, I have to have this. It just was kind of like screaming at me. It's a rose quartz, all about self-love, feminine energy, and all those things that I was kind of working on at the time. So I bought this kind of aid in that, and I took it home and put it in my room, and it just made me amplify my own self-confidence. Crystals are here as a tool to aid in our mindfulness and spiritual journey. I believe that it does have some energetic difference in crystals and stones and things that come from the earth than something that's man-made and manufactured. Kind of like how people like to keep houseplants in their space to kind of give that earthy vibe, that earth energy into the home. I feel like crystals are another way to do that. So yeah, crystals are a tool. They're not going to cure your illnesses, like just buying a crystal and laying it on your chest. It's not gonna like be some sort of miracle. Crystals are really just a tool to aid in the healing process. This book is a really great intro to crystals and everything you need to know, how to care for them, how to use them, and like also which crystals you should be getting, which ones are right for you, what they do, all that good stuff is in this book. So this I really use even still to today because I don't know every single crystal. So let's get into this unboxing. So let's see. Inside the box comes a little pamphlet with everything that's in your box and all the info on the back. Inside my box, I got an affirmation card. This is beautiful. Affirmation for acceptance. I love and accept myself the way I am, and I love and accept others the same way. Beautiful. So affirmation cards, these are so fun. You can kind of collect them, or if you have an affirmation deck, and then you just kind of pick one for the day, and it's a little, you know, affirmation, self-love. Next, we have some incense. I love incense and aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is very, very helpful when I'm feeling like anxious and stuff. It does like inspire me to breathe, and then also it just smells good and you feel better. So these are awesome. I can smell them already. I can't wait. Next, we have a sticker. This is so cute. Keep calm and no drama, llama. That's cute. I'm gonna add these to my water bottle. All right, next we have an obsidian filled essential oil roller. Ooh, so I love essential oil rollers. Take my aromatherapy with me on the go. Next we have a Selenite Wand. This is huge, like for this to be in a good subscription box. Let me show you my other wand. So this is my wand, which I thought was pretty big, and this is the wand that came in Mindful Souls. It's huge. I love these wands. They're supposed to just clear your energy. You wave them around your body, and also you can put your other crystals like on top to clear out your crystal energy and get them back aligned. Next we have some purple agates, and this is like a coaster. It's just this little slice. This is super pretty to keep on your desk. Put your coffee on it. It's a little coaster, and you know, you can let the benefits of purple agate, which is balance, harmony, peace, and appreciation. So I would probably put this on my desk, put my cup of coffee on there, and let all this good energy radiate in my coffee. So when I drink it, I'm just like drinking in the minerals. I mean, the vibrations. Yes, I love beads. You know, I love beads. So this is a black obsidian. I love the size of these beads. As you can see, these ones are a bit bigger, so this is gonna look really cute stacked in there. And obsidian is all about protection, bouncing off negative energy. So I'm like, get out of my way. And the one golden bead on this bracelet will help you achieve financial success and strengthen wealth's energy. Amen. I'll take that. And last but not least, we have a chakra necklace. Look how pretty this is. So it has a bead for each chakra, each of the 7 chakras in the corresponding color. You have all your balancing chakra beads in one convenient necklace. So you just walk around feeling balanced and aligned. I'm excited with everything that was in my Mindful Souls box. They were also kind to send me a second one, so I'm going to do the second unboxing on my Instagram stories and also on my TikTok, so make sure you follow me on there. Thank you again for watching this video, and thank you, Mindful Souls. Don't forget to check the description box below for a coupon code and a link if you're interested. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.